Assalamu alaikum guys, this is me Ahmad and you are watching how to do this. In the previous video we learned how to download and install Visual Basic 6.0. In this video we will learn how to use and run Visual Studio 6.0. So let's start our lecture. Open your Visual Basic 6.0 and go to File and Add New Project. You can press Ctrl+N shortcut key or go to File and click on New Project. Okay, then cancel it. I don't want to save, just I want to create new project. So when you click on File and click on New Project, you can see this dialog box. You can choose Standard EX, then press OK. Okay, here you can see this is your form. Okay, you can change its size by replacing it. Okay, you can change its size as you want. Okay, so in the top bar you can see it is known as title bar, and this is menu bar, and this is its tools, and this is toolbox window. Okay, and here is the property window, and here is the project window. Okay, we will learn one by one and step by step. Okay, so don't worry. First of all, I want to change its icon. When you are creating a window application, you can create as you want. Okay, as you want, mini calculator or something else, online attendance system, school management system, college management system, anything you want you can create in this compiler. Okay, first of all I want to change its icon. You can see here its default icon, so I want to change its icon. So click on form and go to property window. You can also go to by right clicking on form and go to property window. Okay, it is your property window. Here you can see icon. Here you can see icon symbol. Okay, click on icon symbol and choose your logo as you want, but make sure your logo extension must be .ico. Here you can see you can only choose .ico or .cor extension file. Okay, here is my file. I want to select logo 1. Select logo 1 and click on open. Okay, here you can see this logo has been created. Now I want to change its caption. Form 1, I want to create here my college name as Cambridge College. So here find the caption. Here is, you can see here is our caption. So you can change it by name. I want to change its name by Cambridge College. Okay, then I want to change its background color. So here you can see back color, then click on back color. Here you can see arrow, down arrow, click on down arrow. Here you can see different color styles. Okay, that is related to black and dark black. So I want to select this, and here you can see our background color has been changed. So if you want to change its by color, click on plate. Okay, here is system and this is plate, and select on color you want. Okay, I select blue. So this is back color, and if you want to create if you want to change its name, that we will use in programming. So here you can see this form name is form 1. So if I want to change its name form 1, this name we will use in our programming language. Okay, so I will create name it's college. Okay, it is appearance flat. Okay, this is flat and this is 1 3D. choose your back color. Back color here I want green. Okay, caption Cambridge College. Here is many property of this. We can see one by one in the next video. I hope this video will help you how to use and change form icon or its text. Okay, I will repeat my lecture. So here is our title bar and here is our menu bar. This is known as tool menu, or this is known as toolbox. Here is our property window and here is our project window. So if you have any question related to this, you can comment or also join our WhatsApp group or Facebook group. Please like our video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.